Greetings, I'm Emily. I have a question for you. Why don't you still earn thousands of dollars trading while spending only a couple of hours a day? Perhaps you are afraid of big risks or doubt the reliability of earnings. I understand you because my subscribers and I have also faced such doubts. But now you can see the real results of our efforts. If you want to achieve the same results, go to my Telegram channel using the link in the description. There you will find bonuses, effective strategies, and many other useful materials. See you in the channel. Friends, before proceeding to the analysis of my strategy, I recommend taking a look at my previous videos. In them, I share other strategies that will also help you earn money from trading. Returning to the essence of the video, today I will present to you my new effective strategy for binary options. I will start with initial balance of $90 and try to increase it significantly. My strategy is based on using the CCI indicator. This tool will help us determine the trends and the direction of the chart. If the CCI line approach of exceeds the 100 mark, this is a signal for an increase. If the line is moving in the other direction, this is a downside signal. Let's get started with the settings. In order for your strategy to work, you need to set the same settings as mine. First, we put type candles in the chart, set time frame for 30 minutes, then turn on the CCI indicator. You can see the settings of these indicators on the screen. We set the currency pair and transaction time is 1 minute. Now let's move on to transaction. Friends, let's start our trade. I start with an initial balance of $90 and open the first deal for a rise. Why? Because I noticed an entry point on the chart. The indicator showed small adjustments, but the overall trend is still upward. We are waiting for the completion of the transaction. Congratulations on our successful first step in this strategy. I am confident in its effectiveness, and I will prove it to you using the example of several transactions. By the way, our balance is already $172. Now we move on to the second deal in the amount of $155. We find the optimal entry point and open a short trade. Our indicator shows that the moving average is moving down and the downward trend continues. These signals confirm our choice. Are you looking for the perfect trading platform? I found it. It's Pocket Option. Here, every transaction brings you closer to financial success. With fast withdrawals, transparent transactions, and high returns, your investment will start working for you. I personally trust this platform and I'm ready to share it with you. Join my Telegram channel to not only receive bonuses but also keep up to date with the latest news and effective strategies for successful trading. And yes, our transaction was completed successfully and the balance increased to $310. But we will not stop there. We continue to work further. We are urgently analyzing the chart. We see a sharp reversal and transaction from a bullish candle to a bearish one. Even if this trend does not last long, we will still get our profit. I opened the last trade for a reduction in the amount of $310 and wait for the balance to be added. It's just magic. I'm kidding. This is just the result of my strategy. See for yourself. Start with a small balance and see how it works. No magic and demo accounts, it all really works. My strategy allowed me to earn $596 in just 3 minutes. Isn't it impressive? Like it, friends, and don't miss new videos with effective strategies. And by the way, in my next videos you will find many other proven strategies. And now the offer is for you. If you want to get new effective strategies, a lot of bonuses for trading and advice on reaching a stable income, and all this is absolutely free, then go to my Telegram channel. The link in the description. I will be glad to see you there.